Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nashatri and my partner.
My name is Faisal Kasaputra. We are from Software Engineering 2.
I will practice English conversation topic
23.
Yes. Let's go.
Hey, have you seen that new animated movie?
I watched it last week. The animation was amazing. Did you like it?
I love it. I'm a big fan of 3D animation.
Same here. Got any other favorites?
I just watched Spirited Away. It was incredible.
I've heard of that one. Is it from Studio Ghibli?
Yeah, they're my favorite. Their movies are so unique.
I will definitely check that out. Thanks.
Thanks, bye.